For Eaton to grow, totally new products must be developed. Not just products that keep up with the competition, but entirely new ideas. Products that have not been thought of before, what we call white space. What are those products, and how do we develop them to take a significant initial market share and ensure that we reach Eaton Truck Group's growth goals? In order to achieve these goals, ETG has defined an innovation process. First step in developing the process was to assess current innovation capability. We call it an innovation snapshot. A team of 7 spent 2 months gathering data and made recommendations for both a process and governance of innovation at ETG. We redefined the pre-launch innovation process and governance, aiming for a more systematic, disciplined approach. It includes identifying the best opportunities in the market and solutions. It also involves identifying white space. How do we accomplish this? Through a process of sensing, portfolio management, idea generation, and a focus phase. Sensing involves both technologies and markets. We look into existing market research, then find new approaches to sensing, like a hands-on visit to a heavy equipment training facility.
Runs on propane?
Or gasoline. Right now it's set up to run on gasoline.
This is an area with a lot of white space, the agricultural and off-road construction vehicle market. By taking a hands-on approach and talking to experts at operating this equipment, this market attack team can dig deep looking for ag off-road white space opportunities. Teams also visit ag off-road OEMs, dealers, users, and laboratories over a 2-month period. The result is a rich set of insights into the white space. Next step is portfolio management. That involves looking into existing products and ideas to double-check whether the new insights really are white space. In this case, there are some matches with existing data. However, they only touch the surface of the insights discovered in the sensing phase. They are taken to the next phase, idea generation. Time for an innovation summit. The summit enforces a disciplined approach to ensure that a broad range of ideas is generated from the new insights. The summits are held over a 3 to 5 day period. Minds from across Eaton and from the outside are brought in to enrich the process. Hundreds of ideas are generated and only a select few make the cut. The goal is a 40 to 60% confidence level that those final ideas will pay off. Those final ideas move to the focus phase. It's the final step in the pre-launch process. Within a 90-day deadline, the ideas are moved to the 80 to 90% confidence range. Each idea is subjected to a multi-day meeting called a design burst. A cross-business team fine-tunes specifications and identifies key questions that remain. Then it is time for a series of deep dives to ensure that those key questions are answered. This is the phase where the ideas are either pursued, shelved, or killed. We expect that 2 out of 5 ideas will make it through the focus phase and into the pro-launch process. By taking this systematic approach and making it a way of life, Eaton can meet its growth goals.